Welcome to Plead the Facts, presented by KI Legal. On today's episode, KI Legal co-founders Michael Iakovou and Andreas Koutsoudakis welcome former prosecutor and experienced litigator Michael Tannousis as KI Legal's newest partner.
Hi everyone, thank you for joining. I'm Andreas Koutsoudakis here along with my partner Michael Iakovou and yet another Mike Tannousis, who recently joined the firm as a partner. Congratulations and welcome to the team.
Thank you, Andreas. I appreciate it. I'm very happy to be here at KI Legal. It's a good opportunity for me to be able to hone my skills, continue doing the great work that I feel I've been doing the past decade as an attorney. As you know, Andreas, I was born and raised on Staten Island. I started out my career after graduating Binghamton University. I started my career working for the New York City Council. I did that while I was going to law school at night. And then I spent 5 years in the Bronx DA's office and 3 years in the Richmond County DA's office. I've tried all sorts of cases, everything from misdemeanors right up to homicides involving multiple bodies. So I have extensive trial experience. I think at this point it's well over 30 trials that I've done. And I recently left the DA's office about 2 years ago to run for the state assembly. So I have the pleasure of representing the East Shore of Staten Island and a portion of Bay Ridge, Brooklyn in the state assembly, where I'm the ranking member of the Judiciary Committee. So I have a long career of public service, and I became interested in KI Legal because this is the type of setting where people with problems can come, and I know it's a very big problem-solving firm. And that's really what I'm about. I'm about helping people and using that experience to make sure that people are able to get through the difficulties that they have in their life, including their businesses.
And I think you said something really important there. Your requisite experience, either in the district attorney's office as a litigator, as a trial attorney, and then also on a policy-making level, negotiating bills, whatever it may be, dealing with people from every rank and file. Those are very similar to the types of cases we handle here, whether it's again, transactional litigation, one kind of permeates or bleeds into the other. It's the type of matters that we can handle here. Michael, you're a perfect fit for the firm. We're very happy that you're on board, and we're looking forward to a successful 2023 and on together.
Thank you, Michael. I have to say that, especially going back to my time in the Bronx, where I really cut my teeth in the whole of justice, where you really learned how to deal with judges and with juries, and to be able to put your case on. I think that's invaluable experience, and I look forward to using that experience going forward as we help people here at KI Legal.
One thing that I'll add to that, and what always caught my attention in getting to know you over the years in the community in Staten Island is, you're always available. And for me, that's super important because, and I've said this in prior podcasts, I've said this the entire time I've been a lawyer, someone comes to you and they say, I pick you, I trust you, you are the person who is going to represent me in the purchase of my first home, in the biggest lawsuit of my life, in the defense of the biggest lawsuit of my life, in the sale of a commercial building. Whatever that matter is, for them, that's their universe at that time. And so it's a really big responsibility to be a lawyer, and you have to care. When I see you picking up your phone, no matter who calls you, and you're there and you're trying to find a solution, it goes back to problem solving. That's what your job is as a lawyer, also as a representative of the community, and it's so nice and refreshing to see people in that position as lawyers and as elected officials to actually care about that role, because it's such an important responsibility. So for me, that's something that stood out, and I'm very happy to bring that on and continue to build the culture that we've built. And I think you're going to be an amazing asset to the firm. We haven't done any criminal law up until now, and I hope we don't have our clients never needed, but again, we're a resource. We always say we're supposed to be your quarterback. You have a problem, you come to us, we'll put you in the right hands. This just adds an element of knowledge and expertise to our book, our bench, as we say here. So welcome.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
We're going to leave Michael's information in the information below. Feel free to reach out to Michael, also either Andreas or I. Again, as Andreas said, adding to our bench, adding to our ability to better serve you, our client base, and we wish everybody the best in 2023, and we'll speak soon.